Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Languages with Leila. Let's continue to learn how to read and write Arabic step by step. So previously we saw the first set or family of words that they have the same shape. Let's just review them. So they have the shape as like we say boats, like this. There are three this way. So just the dots are difference. We said one has the dots at the bottom. Do you remember which letter? Yeah, right, it's ba. So two dots on top, it's ta, أحسنتم, and three dot. So ثاء حسن جدا. So ba, ta, ثاء. Just to review, if you're new to the channel, just go back to the lesson 1 and you're gonna find this more with more detail. So ba, so this is ta and this is tha. Let's say it like this. Okay, now we're gonna see another family or another set that they have same shape. Just get your notebook and your pencil and get more concentration. Shut off the TV, the phone, whatever you have, and just focus with me. So this one here, it's this shape like this, and they are like going to the bar like half circle this way. Go like this, yeah, all right, and like a half circle. Another one this way. So always like Arabic, they have dots. So that's what did we differentiate the letters from each other. So this one, see this semicircle like a belly? I'm gonna put the dots here. So this letter, she has food on her belly that's make her like a little bit fat. She need to go to gym. Gym start with J. So حرف الجيم. حرف جيم. So I'm gonna write حرف جيم. This one, after she went to the gym, she lost her weight. She doesn't have anything, but she's exhausted. So ha. It's not like ha in English, but ha coming from the throat on the top. Ha. So ha حرف الحاء حرف الجيم حرف الحاء. This one, when she was exhausted, she went to bed and she pulled her blankets over her head like this. She put the blankets over her head and she went to bed. She sleeping and she started to snore. So حرف الخاء حرف الخاء. So جيم حرف الجيم. Going to gym because the food and the belly a little bit fat on the belly. She went to gym, she lost that fat and she's exhausted. Ha. And this is, like I said, cover her head with the blanket. She's a deep sleep and she starts to snore. Ha. حرف الجيم حرف الحاء حرف الخاء. So this is now another three letters that you know. Let's, they have, like I said in Arabic, they have different shape at the beginning, the middle, and the end. Let's start with حرف الجيم. I'm just gonna erase this. Erase this. Always take note. So حرف الجيم is, this is free letter. Free letter. But if it starts at the beginning, it will be like this, and it's gonna lose the circle, the semicircle, and the, so if I jim at the beginning, This is because jeem is, some letters are friendly, they can hold the next one, but some of them they're not. Jeem is friendly. And the end, then she gonna get her semicircle again here. So this is at the beginning. This is, let me just say, this is a free, doesn't attach to anything. This is beginning, and this is middle. Uh, I forgot how to write middle. Sorry, middle, and this is end. Okay, so beginning, middle, and end. Let's do some short vowels here. So let's just start with the beginning. So jeem at the beginning, jeem, jeem. So like we said, al-fatha is small line on the top. Ja, small circle with this at the bottom. Jo, damma. And this is kasra. Again, all this is in my channel. Go just to the playlists and learn Arabic, and you're gonna find them. So ja, jo, ji. Hasan jiddan. So now we have another haraka, small, short vowel. So let's do this. This is the new one that I want to introduce today. So the small haraka, this one, it's just like small circle without the line that's it's here. J, j. Sukun is like calmness. J, j. So ja, jo, ji, j. So these short vowel, they can go along with long vowels. Some words, they have long vowels. Let's see the long vowels, like ja goes with alif. So ja, the long vowel ja, al-mad bil alif. Now, this one go with waw, ju, and this one go with ya, ji. So ja, ju, ji. So the same thing with ha and kha. They go along with the same rules. Very good. I'm just gonna clear everything. I'm just gonna try with, for example, ha. Just quickly, ha, 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 ha. So here, ha, here, ho, he, ha. Long vowel, if the ha, who, he. Ha. You can pause the video and say it without listening to me, and you're gonna, or lower the volume. So, ha. Let's do with ha. Ha, snoring, ha, snoring, ha, ha. Because I know this is hard for you to pronounce. Ha, ha. Just remember the snoring part. Okay. Ha, fatha, ha, damma, kho, kasra, khi, sukun, kh. Now, المد بالألف خا، مد بالواو واو، خو، long vowel يا، خي. The sukun doesn't have long vowel because it's just sukun is calm. Kha, khu, khi. Let's do some words that they have these letters that we have been learning. I'm just gonna clear everything. So again here, for example, here, I don't want this. So you can see. Okay, I'm gonna do الحركات. So here's two dots. Ta, فتحة. Ta, long vowel. Ta, which room? Fat on her belly. Going to gym. J. Sokoun. Taj. Taj. So Taj. Now you can word. What is it? It's crown. Crown. So Taj is crown. So this is your first word in here that you learned. Taj. Let's do another word. Okay. Okay. Tamma sukun. Khoog. Kha on the top, snoring. Kha. Khoog. So khoog. Peach. Okay. Now let's do this one here. Right. Now, bab. 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 Right. You got it. Bab. Who think what is bab mean? Does it mean door? Bab. It's a door. So here, ba is the beginning with alif. B, it's free because alif is not friendly, doesn't hold anything after it. Wow is not friendly, doesn't hold any other letters after. So kha, I said kha is friendly, ta is friendly, ba is friendly. So we're gonna do another lesson until we're done with all the letters. Okay, see you next time, and I hope that you learned something new, and I hope that you enjoy my way of teaching. Bye. See you next week, inshallah.